consensus is both a process and a way of making decisions. So some of you might be familiar with Robert's Rules of Order and voting. So in that situation, Robert's Rules of Order are the process and voting is the way of making the decisions.
So there are 7 basic hand signals, the first of which is twinkles. This is to show agreement with something. The second one is down twinkles, which is to show that you disagree with something that is said. The third one is a direct response, and it's either this or this. Direct response means that there is critical information that was missing from something that was just said. Next one would be a clarifying question, and a clarifying question is similar to a direct response in that there is a question that you have that you need to have answered for the process to continue and for people to vote on an issue. Next one is point of process, which is a little triangle made with your hands. Point of process means that we have gotten off of the process. The difference between point of process, clarifying question, and direct response is those interrupt stack. So those cannot be used for opinion-based things. The next one is wrap it up. Wrap it up means you've been rambling and you need to make more clear, concise statements and finish it quickly. The last one was decided to raise the roof, means speak up. If you want to speak, or you have an opinion, or you have a question to make, or a statement, or something like that, you raise your hand.